If you're over 40, you know the feeling. You did everything right, you saved, you bought the safe funds, and your portfolio is just existing. It's not growing fast enough to handle inflation, college tuition, and the retirement you actually deserve. And of course, if you are younger than 40, this is a wake-up call to take action, because any time wasted does not come back to you again. Forget safe. Today, we are unleashing the two undisputed kings of the last decade. One has averaged over 20% a year, the other over 30%. We are taking the entire tech market, slicing it in half, and showing you exactly which half will make you rich. Are you ready to get rich? That's for real. Here is the brutal truth. If you are starting late, the S&P 500 is quite good, but it's a turtle. At 10% a year, on an average, it takes 7 years just to double your money. The real question is, do you have that kind of time? You honestly don't. You need an accelerator. You need a vehicle that can turn $50,000 into $300,000 in the same time the S&P 500, like VOO, turns it into just $100,000. That is why we are here. We aren't looking for average. We are looking for super growth. And there are only two heavyweights that matter. SMH, the VanEck Semiconductor ETF. SMH was created in December 2011 with a much more aggressive mission. It doesn't care about software. It doesn't care about social media. It focuses entirely on one thing, the hardware, the physical computer chips that power the modern world. It has returned over 30% annually for a decade by focusing on computer chips. SMH holds top 25 biggest chip makers in the US. Here are the top 10 with their holdings. Because this is a specialized high-octane tool, it costs a little more to drive. The expense ratio is 0.35%. That's $35 a year for every $10,000 invested. You pay a premium price, but as you are about to see, you get premium horsepower. Now we have VGT, Vanguard Information Technology. It crushes everything in its path. Software, hardware, Apple, Microsoft, delivering a massive 22% annual return. It was born back in January 2004, long before the iPhone even existed. Its mission is massive, to own virtually the entire American technology sector. We're talking about over 300 companies in one basket. It holds the software giants, the hardware makers, the payment processors, everything. And because it's Vanguard, it is incredibly efficient. The expense ratio is a tiny 0.1%. That means for every $10,000 you invest, you're paying just $10 a year in fees. It is the low-cost, high-power tank of the investment world. Here are the top 10 holdings of VGT. Okay, pause the money talk for 1 second. I'm giving you the blueprint to financial freedom here. The only thing I ask, smash that like button. It tells the YouTube algorithm that you guys like making money. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you doing? Join the tribe. We are building wealth together. Okay, let's get back to it.
Now, this is where the fight gets interesting. This is where you decide what kind of investor you really are. Let's pop the hood and see what is actually driving these engines. First, the common ground. Both of these funds are absolutely obsessed with one company, Nvidia. In SMH, Nvidia is the undisputed king, making up a massive chunk of the portfolio, often hovering around 20%. In VGT, Nvidia has recently flipped Apple and Microsoft to become the #1 holding there too. So if you just want Nvidia, both funds have you covered. But here is the massive difference that most people miss. If you buy VGT, you are buying the American ecosystem. You get Apple and Microsoft. These two giants make up nearly 30% of the fund. They give you stability, they give you software. They are the safety net that keeps you from crashing too hard. SMH does not own Apple. It does not own Microsoft. It has zero software exposure. Instead, SMH gives you something VGT cannot, Taiwan Semiconductor, TSM. TSM is the second largest holding in SMH, usually around 10%. This is the company that actually manufactures the chips for everyone else. VGT typically excludes it because it's a foreign company. So ask yourself, do you want the safety of Microsoft and Apple? Go VGT. Or do you want the pure mainline into the factory that builds the future? That is SMH.
Now, enough about the past history, and let's talk about your future. Let's say you start today with $5,000. and you commit to adding just $500 a month from your paycheck. That's it. We are going to compare VGT, running at a projected 20% return, versus SMH, running at a projected 28% return. Usually, compounding is slow from the start, but your money doubles at year 7, but we are going to skip to a decade of investing. Year 10, you have invested a total of $65,000 of your own cash. In VGT, your account has grown to $225,000. That is fantastic. But in SMH, that extra horsepower has pushed you to nearly $400,000. You are almost halfway to $1 million in just 1 decade. Year 15. This is where the gap becomes a canyon. In VGT, you are sitting pretty at $650,000. You are crushing the average American investor. But in SMH, you have officially crossed the line. You are sitting on $1.6 million. Same contribution, same time, but $1 million more in your pocket. Year 20. If you can hold on for 2 decades, VGT gives you a very comfortable retirement of $1.8 million. But SMH, hold on to your seat. That account would hypothetically be worth over $6.6 million. Now, look at those numbers again. 1.8 million versus 6.6 million. The difference isn't how much you saved, it's where you put it. But remember, that $6 million comes with a price. You have to survive the 30% drops without selling. Can you do it? Hey, before you pause this video and put your life savings into SMH, you need to see the crash. High returns require high pain tolerance. In 2022, when the market got ugly, VGT dropped 29%. That hurts. But SMH, it fell off the face of the earth. It dropped nearly 35%. In previous crashes, chip stocks have dropped 50% or more. If you panic when your account drops, SMH will destroy you. VGT is safer because Apple and Microsoft tend to be more stable than chip factories. So here is the real wealth hack. Path 1, the aggressive builder. If you have 15 plus years and you want to chase the absolute highest ROI possible, and you promise not to sell when it crashes, buy SMH. It's the pure fuel of the AI revolution. Path 2, the smart wealth compounder. If you want massive growth, but you want to sleep a little better at night knowing you own the whole tech ecosystem, buy VGT. It's the perfect balance of offense and defense. Path 3, if you want to be safer, watch my previous video on top 3 Vanguard ETFs, or 2 ETFs that fell 7% when VOO crashed 18%. Thanks for watching. If you want to retire rich, hit that subscribe button. Let's grow together.